In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view storage usage space in Office 365 OneDrive. Whether you're managing files for work or personal use, keeping track of your storage utilization can be crucial. It helps ensure you have enough space for all those important documents, photos, and other files. So let's dive right in and explore how to access and examine your storage usage in a few straightforward steps. First, you need to log into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account login page and enter your credentials. Take a moment to verify that you're logging in with the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Microsoft accounts. This will ensure that you're checking the right OneDrive storage. Once you're logged in, look for the app launcher, which you'll find usually as a grid icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to expand a menu showing the various Microsoft apps available to you. From here, you want to locate and click on OneDrive. This will take you directly to your OneDrive homepage. On the OneDrive page, you'll need to access the settings. This is done by clicking on the gear icon, typically found in the upper right corner. When you click on the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll select the options link, which takes you to another page with more detailed settings and information about your OneDrive. Now, in the options menu, scroll down and find the manage storage link. Clicking on this link is your gateway to detailed insights on how your storage is being used. You can see an overview of your total storage space as well as a breakdown of file types and sizes. This section is particularly useful if you're nearing capacity and need to manage or delete files to free up space. Finally, you should now be able to view your exact storage usage. This will display all the details you need, breaking down how much storage you're using and how much is remaining. Take some time to go through this information to ensure everything aligns with your expectations and needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily monitor and manage your OneDrive storage usage. This process will help you keep your storage organized and prevent any surprises about running out of space. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to add your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.